If you don't like missing out on good news but still want to stay updated, then listen up. The West Arsi Zone in Oromia has achieved something extraordinary. They've been awarded the 2024 Presidential Award for their incredible progress in agriculture, health, education and peacekeeping. Imagine a community where fields flourish with abundant crops, healthcare services reach everyone, education empowers the young, and peace reigns supreme. That's West Arsi for you. Their innovative agricultural practices have boosted food security, while their health initiatives have improved the well-being of countless residents. Education programs have opened up new horizons for the youth, and peacekeeping efforts have ensured a stable and harmonious environment. A big shout-out to the dedicated leaders and hard-working community members of West Arsi Zone. Your commitment and diligence have set a shining example for the entire Oromia region. Let's celebrate this monumental achievement and continue striving for even greater heights. Congratulations again and again, West Arsi Zone.